Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed a Typeform in Clickpanels. This is a great way to add interactive forms to your funnel and collect responses in a more engaging and user-friendly way. Let's get started. On your Typeform workspace, let's say you already have a form and you want to embed it into Clickpanels. All we have to do is click on the form we want to embed. Next, click the Share button at the top of the form. From there, click Embed in Web Page. Now, we can design the embed and decide how we want it to look. Once we're happy with it, click New Embed to move forward. From here, we will switch this to a general embed and then copy the code. Now let's head over to Clickpanels. We will go to the Panel section in the upper left, so we can paste the code there. Let's open a sample panel, like the Moneymaker panel. Choose where we want to place the form. We'll use the editor and go to the Thank You page so we can see it clearly. Scroll down to the bottom. Here, we will delete the existing element and add a new one. Then, go to Miscellaneous and click the Embed option. The element is now on the page. Click on it and open the code editor. Paste the code in, then close it. Once that's done, click Save. Now let's click Preview so we can see the embedded Typeform on the page. There it is. The form is fully embedded, clickable, and expandable. That's how we embed Typeform in Clickpanels. With this simple integration, we can improve our funnels and capture better quality leads.